The 15-inch outdoor dual-zone wine and beverage cooler by Vinotemp will change the way you entertain. Have your favorite beverages always perfectly chilled and nearby while you do all your outdoor activities. A security lock will protect your collection, and beautiful stainless, seamless trim and LED display lights add a touch of modern elegance that will complement any decor. The simple control panel design makes it a cinch to change temperature and lighting settings. Easily store beverages on tempered glass shelves and wine bottles on slatted wood racks. The reversible door swing also allows you to convert your cooler from a right to left hinged unit. This compact cooler was made to weather outdoor conditions, but can easily be built into your cabinetry for indoor use.